What's up, you guys? Today I'm gonna tell you about a great feature that I discovered a few months ago and now I'm constantly using it on Instagram. My name is Vika and you're watching News and Music. And if you're watching from IGTV, I should tell you that I have another 4 seasons on YouTube. So if you go to YouTube and you type News and Music, you can find everything from the seasons before, because on IGTV I only have season 5. So don't forget to go and subscribe as well, because every week I have a new episode. But today I'm gonna talk to you about LinkTree. So you know how they only allow you to put one link in your bio on Instagram? It can be super overwhelming sometimes, because sometimes you want to post about your YouTube channel, sometimes about your website, sometimes about something else, and you find yourself constantly changing the link. Every day something different. So I was looking for something that can combine everything together, and I used LinkTree. So as you can see, I went to the LinkTree website, and you need to register before if you don't have an account, but I already have an account. You pick the username that you want. You go inside your account. Guys, it's free. It doesn't cost anything to sign up for that. So as you can see on the screen, I chose the purple color and I have all kinds of links like music, website and everything. And what amazing about LinkTree, you have your link above that you can share on Instagram, and you can go to my profile and check how that looks like. It also shows you the views of how many people press the button. If you want to see the analytics, you need to sign up for the pro one, which costs money, which I didn't do. But you choose the name of the link how you want to call the link basically, and then you type the URL code, YouTube or the website or whatever you want. You can choose which one's going to be first, which is going to be second, and you choose the order. So then you can go to the appearance and choose the colors that you wanted to show. So again, some of them are locked for the pro version. By the way, guys, the pro version costs only $6 a month. So if you find it useful and if you want to kind of see the analytics and have to choose your own colors and have some more features on it, $6 a month, it's not a big deal. And by the way, guys, LinkTree is not the only one. So if you type LinkTree, even in Google, they're gonna give you other choices of website that you can use for the same thing. If you want to see how that looks like, you can go to my bio and you can click the just click here link, and you can see how that looks like. And when you click on it, you get to everything that I chose, which is music, website and everything. And I went farther than that, and for the music one, I did another link that actually allows you to choose which platform you want to listen to my music on, which is a different amazing platform that I'm gonna share with you next week. But this is all for today, guys. Check LinkTree because it's an amazing feature, and don't forget to subscribe to the News and Music channel, because next week we're gonna talk about the other feature.